Hello guys! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. Reading po ito for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates guys. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat since this is general reading. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading. Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Ayan. And meron siyang messenger. Meron din siyang TikTok. Ayan. Pwede mo siyang i-check sa TikTok niya. At meron din akong TikTok guys. Please do follow me din sa TikTok please. Okay? At sana mag-comment kayo, no? Kasi ma-appreciate ko yung comment. Nagpapakita yan ng malaking suporta sa akin. Ayan. Start natin ang reading guys, no? By the way, meron na rin palang YouTube si Jing Tarot Reader. Please do subscribe na lang rin sa kanya. Jing Tarot Reader, yun yung kanyang YouTube. Okay, let's start. This is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Knight of Swords, Nine of Wands. Messages for Earth sign, please. Ten of Pentacles. Clarify the Ten of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles is here. The Fool is at the bottom of the deck. By the way, never mind na lang yung duminong kamay ko ha. Naggawa lang ako ng mga accessories ulit na medyo nag-i-stain sa kamay yung yung mga ginamit ko doon. Anyway, with the Knight of Swords, Nine of Wands, someone here is parang magta-travel tong taong to papunta sa'yo eh. Kasi problemado siya ngayon. Hindi siya okay. Yeah, I can see a journey here with the Fool. Dito sa taong to. Could be a childhood friend. Page of Pentacles is here. Or pwedeng may pag-uusap sa inyo nitong taong ito regarding money before. Ten of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles is here. Iba-iba yung energy dito sa part na ito, guys. Some of you, I can see a lot of money na paparating sa'yo. And there's this particular person na parang itatry, nakikita ka niya, you're already successful, ganito, ganyan. Pwedeng maging malaki yung impluensya niya sa'yo. And or advisean ka nitong taong to. Tell me about this person. Ay, parang gusto kong gamitin tong card na to. With the Nine of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles, please. That's Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You do have your love me. Tell me more. I have so much desire for you. If I ask you to stay, would you leave me? Have I lost everything? This love scares me. So, nakakakita tayo dito ng person na I'm feeling a lot of emotion mula dito sa taong ito, no? And you do have here, you are my everything. So, I feel like itong taong ito, maybe a friend or act siya or aarte siya like as a friend. And itong person na ito pwedeng gumawa ng way para maging mas malapit siya sa'yo. But this person really do likes you. This person really do loves you. Gusto niya maging parte ng whatever you're doing, especially financially, or kung ano man mga projects mo, gusto niya makatulong sa'yo. Basta nandiyan lang siya, you know, but this person really do likes you. Pwedeng natatakot siya or hindi niya alam kung paano i-express ito. Anyway, tell me more. You do have your this Queen of Swords, just for Earth sign. Queen of Swords, Four of Cups, and the Knight of Wands. Um, I'm seeing a past person na may gusto siyang i-cut off. And hindi na kasi siya sure dito sa bagay na to, kaya gusto niyang i-cut off. And this person is really manifesting you. Kaya nga siya magta-travel or lalapit sa'yo because nakikita niya rin kasi yung money sa'yo. So, hindi naman siya mukhang pera, but maybe nakikita niya yung opportunities sa side mo. And tell me about this person. Yeah, this person is really thinking of you. Ano yung gusto niyang i-cut off? Ano yung gusto niyang i-cut off? You do have your the Hanged Man. So, pwedeng gusto niya nang i-cut off or tapusin itong paghihintay na ito with the Hanged Man. Gusto niyang umalis sa situation niya. The King of Swords is here. So, itong person na ito, ayaw niya kasi ayaw niya yung place niya ngayon or kung nasaan siya. It's like marami nagdidikta sa kanya or this person is really stressed right now. And gusto niya nang iwasan or layuan or tapusin ito para pumunta sa pangarap niya, which is, ano pangarap ng person na to? The Chariot. This is about, this is King of Pentacles. This is you, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So with the Chariot, maaaring ang pangarap niya is to travel, to see you, to have this, like, makasama mo or makasama ka. Yan, gusto niya makasama ka. So, maaaring umalis siya sa situation niya kasi ayaw niya na rin nang maghintay eh. Anong emotion sa'yo na itong taong to? For Earth sign, anong emotions niya? The Lovers is here. So, and the Tower. Dalawang major arcana yan eh. Clarify the Tower, please, and the Lovers. Five of Pentacles. The Empress is at the bottom of the deck. Gusto niya itong sumama. Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is about emotions. This is about love. So, this person loves you a lot. And yung Empress is like, yung pag-a-admire or pagkagusto sa'yo nitong taong to, physically, emotionally, lahat sa'yo gusto nitong taong to. So, maaaring with the Tower and the Lovers, this person is willing na to end kung ano man itong the Lovers, which is pwedeng attachment niya with someone or something. Sabi ko nga, pwedeng attachment sa lugar, attachment sa isang tao, or attachment pwedeng sa career, sa trabaho. Because with the Five of Pentacles, parang wala siyang napapala dun eh. Parang wala siyang napapala dun. And this person, dahil nararamdaman niya yung ganong feeling, gusto niya nang tapusin yung paghihirap na yon. And this person, I feel like there's a lot of emotions para sa'yo. And parang kailangan kita eh. Kailangan kita. Ganun yung energy. This person loves you a lot. So, ano yung actions ng taong ito in the near future for you? You do have the Four of Pentacles. By the way, nakakaamoy ako ng basura. So, I don't know kung malapit ka ba sa basurahan or what. King of Wands, Seven of Cups, Seven of Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Actions is like, gusto niya magkaroon ng stability with you in the near future. Sabi ko nga, pwede may kinalaman sa money. So, the Seven of Cups is here. Clarify the Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups is clarified by the Page of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Seven of Pentacles. I'm seeing effort sa taong to in the near future. So, mag-effort itong taong to in the near future Maaaring may mga bagay siyang ibibigay sa'yo. Kasi feeling niya yung pagbibigay sa'yo ng something is, ito yung makakatulong para mas maging close kayo. And, yeah, itatry niyang maging mas close sa'yo. And feeling niya ang magiging dahilan or makakatulong para mas maging close siya sa'yo is through money. So, or yeah, maybe taking this risk right here with the Fool and the Temperance. And you do have your the Two of Pentacles. So, nakakita tayo ng person na tinatry niyang i-balance yung kanyang sarili. Yeah, this person is really going to end something. Yung iba, relationship yung i-end. Or, related sa family. So, nakakita tayo ng ending regarding dyan. This person, kung ano man yung mga plano niya with the Eight of Swords. Na-realize niya ayaw niya pala nung sitwasyon niya ngayon eh. Hindi siya masaya. This person is really manifesting, daydreaming. No? Daydreaming about you. So, yun yung nakikita natin. And soon enough, maaaring lumapit or gumawa ng paraan itong taong to para mas mapalapit siya sa'yo. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.